welcome back to my channel. Well, I would like to introduce everyone to our puppy. She's a teacup Chihuahua and her name is Maggie. Say, yes, my name is Maggie. Say, I just went outside and used the bathroom. She doesn't shake all the time. Sometimes Chihuahuas do that, but she doesn't do it all the time. But she's so funny. We had to put this little collar on her because the other one just didn't fit. It was too big. So, but she loves her little dog that she plays with. And so I'm going to take her in the living room and let you get a look at her. I think I told you she's 6 weeks. And she's going to go see the vet pretty soon. And say, Mommy cut my toenails today. Yes, she did. And she was such a good girl. She didn't care at all. And she sleeps in the bed with us. We bought the crate, but I only put her in there when, like, I'm getting a shower or I'm fixing dinner or I have to wash clothes, something where I can't keep my eyes on her because, like I said, she potties outside all the time. But she you know, she's still too young and I don't want to set her up for failure. So she sleeps with us, like I said, and when my husband's in the bed, she sleeps under his arm. She loves it. She will bury under there. And then the rest of the time, when he leaves, this morning she slept on my stomach, and then she snuggled in right in here and laid on my neck. She's the sweetest dog ever, and say we love her to death. So I want to thank everyone for all the questions about Maggie, and I know you all were so excited to see her. So I'll just do a little quick video of her playing, and by the way, she loves that tent bed. That she loves. Okay, so we'll go in here and play just a little bit and then say, Mommy and Maggie's got stuff to do. She has a little tennis ball that she loves. And say, I just love to play. Say, I love to play. Say, I love to play. But she's a tri-color. She's adorable. Like I said, we love her. When we first brought her home, my husband fell asleep on the couch with her in his arms. And as his stomach would go up when he was sleeping, she would ride up and ride down. She is hilarious. It's just right for her to chew. I mean, she can't eat it. I mean, it's not healthy to eat. You have to give her supervision. But it's very good for the teeth. And you can also chill it in the freezer. And that helps. And but she stays out of the crate most of the time. But like I said, she loves all her little toys. See, I can stand up on my paw. She might go in there and get in there. She loves that bed. And she likes that one too. She drags that one, if you can believe it. What you doing, little girl? What you doing? But I just wanted to show everybody little Maggie because everyone was so interested in her, and she is a part of our family. So you'll see her from time to time, and I'll give you updates on how she's doing. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.